We're on our way to Cadillac Ranch. There is a tornado watch. I would say warning, but it's watch.
Watch.
So hopefully we'll make it. Hopefully nobody spray paints your car.
It's all over.
Okay, yeah, that'll be fun.
We'll find someone to get in there.
Smells
not bad.
Spray paint from here.
Not bad.
I said we'll come
We're gonna try to head to these cars over here in the back. Looks like nobody's hanging out by them. They do have big old mud puddles by them, so watch it. Watch your feet. That's why nobody's on them.
I see. Ah! We gotta go closer.
He's got all his figures.
Wow! Okay, it's tight. Okay, that's good. Good job, Weston. It's a little hard.
Press it.
That was kind of empty. You got
It's
it?
a little low. There you go. There you go. She's doing it.
Woo! Ooh, look at that, some blue. All right.
I'm good at spray painting, actually.
You are. Good spray paint. You are an artist.
That's hard. Ready?
Woo! I love the spray. Woohoo!
Mine is like, it's so bad because I forgot you don't supposed to shake it.
D for daddy.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right, Mama's turn.
Let me see this.
Let's try spray painting the ground.
Look, Mama did a heart. Nice.
Woo!
All right.
Okay.
Oh, let's go.
You hooligans.
Spray paint.
Busted.
Busted. We had fun at the Cadillac Ranch. Everybody didn't want to give up the spray paint. Too much fun.
Yeah, they gave up playing at Chick-fil-A, but then they gave up spray paint. But everybody had fun. They all got paint all over them. Paint like on all the fence. Ground is all painted out here, all across the side. Looks like nobody painted their cars. So good news.
There's kind of a sus cloud over there. It just looks interesting. We're gonna keep our eyes on that bad boy over there.
It looks like it's blurred out. It looks like someone else's face that got blurred out.
Somebody used the smudge.
It was a cloud. It was a cloud.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
Picking Charles up from the hotel.
Lone Star
Lodge.
Pet Lodges.
Lodge.
Super cute.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.